Should be working now. Okay. So let's see how this thing go.
Bro, it's falling.
What?
It's falling out of my hands, man.
Why are you using your phone?
Huh?
Why are you using your phone, bro?
Bro, I went downstairs to make food, yeah. So I had to switch from my PC to my phone rapid in.
Alright, so looking at gold. So we have news, and news just popped right now, 8:30. So are we gonna see a bounce to the upside? That's the main question here, right? Oh, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. Give us a nice bounce from this level here, all the way up here. You know? So you can't even like, bro. GU was crazy today.
Bro, ripping, man.
Bruh, that thing came down, tapped this bottom level, bam, spiked. I told you that candle was a fake out. I told you, bro. It's all messed up. And I have the same feeling about gold too. You see how like there's a lot of manipulation like this week? Like
Yeah,
you
yeah.
see bam bam bam, and even now, like yo, like we flew, and then they know that people are trying to buy this break above here, you see?
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
bam, close down, pull back, 100 pip. Like, holy, yo, relax, bro. This is why you gotta be like really cautious, you know, in the market with what you do, because I truly believe like if you don't respect and just like try to scale in here, get in here, then you get destroyed. But for me, it's different, you know. I scale in over here like a G. But you see how I only scaling in low lot though, small lot,
Yeah,
mini
yeah.
lot, chilling. You see, it was also nice that I didn't take gold on your trade on your account a lot, because you see how like when this pullback happened, it didn't really affect me. The account still stay above 8,000 like perfectly. You know,
Yeah.
that's the goal, bro. Can't be playing around, man.
Bro, it looks clean, fam.
What looks clean?
Let me show you, bro.
The stream?
Hold on, hold on. Like this one, this. Bro, nah, it looks clean, fam. Hold on.
No lag and nothing, right? Looking good.
Nah, no, like nothing, man. When you get the overlay set of everything, I'd be like, bro, 10-10. But I was watching Roger Banks stream today, bro. That guy doesn't even have a thumbnail, fam.
Yeah.
And it's 1.6K, but that's Roger, man, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
And that looks clean, fam. You got the live in the top left, live in the bottom right.
Yep. All we
Yeah,
need
man.
is a few people in here, and they will start popping out, and then we're gonna give nice signals. You know what I mean?
Bro, you didn't do the description, man.
Give me. I can do it right now.
I'm gonna copy and paste it from your old video here.
Yep, that's fine. Alright, done.
Let me see this. Yo, that was good, fam. Bro, that was good.
Yo, why is gold not moving? Are you waiting for something? Look at, bro, look at USD, bro. See this?
Yeah.
Like, it's already happening. Gold, come on, baby. Come on, don't play around with me. I know you're gonna move. Bro, why did I tell you, like, I don't like trading gold? It's because of these, bro. You see, like, it tried to stall a lot of move. Like, it range, like, 20 years before one spike. Like, bro, come on. Just give us that, like, candle, you know? Like, come on. Give us that, like, give this candle here.
Yeah.
And also this GJ didn't work out, but we're in this blue zone right now where you can see a sell-off happening. Same thing with CAD-JPY, CHR-JPY.
Bro, delay's like 3 seconds, bro. It's nothing.
Yeah. And in future I can probably fix it to like 1 second or whatever. Right now I just want to leave it as this. I don't want to like keep redoing it.
Nah, it's not even that bad for you to be changing shit, man.
Yo, the USD CHF melted perfectly as well, huh?
How many people did that?
What?
40, 50.
Say it again?
No, nothing. It's like 40 pips, innit?
Mm-hmm.
Did you change the size of the camera?
Yeah, I did. It's small, no? It's smaller now.
Yeah. Looks good still, looks good. Right, let me put my mic on. My volume up. I can check the music in the background. Bro. Fucked up.
Look at this EU pinpoint.
Nah. I'm still in that, you know.
The EU?
Yeah.
Well, it didn't take you out. Of course you're gonna be in it.
Hmm?
It didn't take you out, so of course you're gonna be in it.
Yeah. Nah, but you close that break even on that account, innit? I just let it run.
I closed it because I want to keep the account clean. Like, I even closed the Euro NZD. I was thinking to close CHF as well. I don't want a lot of things going on without any like benefit. But then I was like, you know what? Whatever. I just left it. Oh my god, bro. Gold's like crazy stalling, bro. That's the thing, bro. I'm gonna tell you confidently this pair is gonna be here in the next few days. But you see like this low here?
Yeah.
We'll be tapping into that easily. So we just need to see a nice push back up in this 20-minute that we have for 4 hours. If we go back up and close above this area, then bam, 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 we're gonna continue up for the day. This 20-minute is really critical. You know? Trying to find the right song is hard also, huh? I truly believe that gold has to reverse right now, like right now. There's no other point. Because in order for us to maintain a nice proper structure of level, right, we need the scan to close bullish or rejected, like above this area. So 20-minute. Let's see what New York can bring us here. You see, I don't even want to share like my shit on Instagram or nothing. I just want to grow on like this social media ASAP, you know, and then transfer all my followers to the other places. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. There you go. It's playing out. You see what I mean? All right. You see the small price action?
Don't you? Yeah.
So, holy hell, bro! What is these songs? I want to play this, but I don't know if it's copyright, you know? This one here.
Check the description.
Wait, what'd you say?
Check the description. Maybe you might see.
What are you talking about?
Check the description of the song and see if it's copyright or not copyright. Might say. Or just write NCS chill, non-copyright.
It doesn't say it.
Play that one, man.
What if we get shadow banned? I'm gonna research here how to get your videos to go up on the main page, man. Yeah. Definitely don't play a copyrighted songs. I'm gonna delete this fib. Don't need it anymore. Too hype. It's too loud, you know?
I can't hear, bro. The driver booster, bro. They messed up my audio, you know.
You can fix it if you go to volume mixer. Open volume mixer. If you click the icon at the, you know, at the right bottom.
Yeah.
Click the volume. Open volume mixer, and then you can choose what's your original sound at. And if you want it to make it default, you can also press that open sound setting and then go to like your setting, fix it to the normal one and save it. It made my sound had a problem too, but I didn't really care because the benefit of how fast it changes with the computer was significant for me. So let's check US30, yeah? Let's do analysis for US30.
I've got no output, man. Oh no, I'll look into it later.
So if we trade above this, we're gonna buy. But if we trade below this, we're gonna sell, right? So what we need to do is wait for the pop up above here to buy. Because buy is really risky, but also like a lot of rejection here, so not my piece of cake. Gold is naughty, bro. Do you secure your profit when I told you to?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was lucky you secured that shit.
I secured 65.
Yeah, bro, it was not looking that great.
I still got 6.5%.
So for example, especially right, if you got in down here, it push, and if you have a retest of full entire lead, you lost your account. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I was like, bro, it's best to close it because like if you're gaining 2% here, if you fall down a little bit more, then you're at the boundary of losing the account.
My
I'd
balance
rather-
is 4% profit. My equity is 10.6%.
Yeah.
Chilling,
I think the bullish candle that we're gonna see is gonna be huge, bro. You know. And I think we're gonna be looking at it from here, perspectively, all the way back up here. From here to here, that alone is almost 200 pip, right? Targeting 2000 level, or even 1990 here. That would give us a clean move of like almost 300, 400 pip. Because we're already, even if you don't move today, right? Tomorrow is gonna be the move for gold, you know. But obviously we want to see breakout of this range today, right? So that we don't sit in here playing around, bouncing up and down, left and right. Look at the chat. So what do you think about US30?
Bro. I hate indices, don't ask me that.
What you mean you hate it? You gotta learn this shit. Look at this move. And look at this move. You forgot about this?
Hold on, delay time, hold on. Yeah, true, bro. Yeah. I don't think they're Nazma.
Well, I also believe that they're due to pull back, you know. I believe that we're gonna have some clean pullback. Hopefully we do, because I want to be taking them like at least next week. I don't want to take them this week because I'm looking at gold to move up. If gold is moving up to 2000 level, then what I'm seeing these days is that we're going against indices and commodities are going against each other. So gonna be looking to not trade against them. I'm asleep, you know.
Hmm?
I haven't slept.
Nah, not half. What would you do, man?
What do I look like? Don't you see your trades?
Oh shit, yeah.
You see how like GU has a consistent price move, right? Making over and over. But looking at gold is just like looking like you want to stay in the zone of these range. And also we gotta also be careful about this wick here. You see this wick that we made? I actually, it's delayed probably, but you'll see GU wick that we made. Gotta be careful about that because we're also chilling around this area here. Let's see. Let me just pull this horizontal rectangular. Gotta be careful. This is an important level here. But if we bounce above that, then we're gonna have a clean move. Yeah, your account is chilling, bro. It is not even going into like any like, you know, drawdown.
Yeah, I know. I GU's carrying, man.
I was gonna take EU as well, you see. But I was a little late. Yeah, I was a little late, so I didn't get in. Come on, gold. Come on, baby. Give us that push.
Why no one joined, fam?
I don't know, man. They're too busy with 10 pips. My question is, I don't care anybody join or not. Is gold gonna push or what? This is looking really bearish here, my man. Like, is the move done? Was it this move? Like, what is this? You know? Question my existence. Right, am I a joke to you, gold? You see, this is why I told you I don't want to trade gold. This is what I mean. And it's crazy because one of my position got break even. this 4 hours is about to close, man. We only have 5 minutes left. We need to push at least over here in 5 minutes. Can you believe that?
That's not gonna happen, you know.
Huh?
I spoke to Mark Douglas. He said he's gonna do.
Okay, let's see. I was also thinking about GA buy earlier, you know. About to catch the
GA
top
buy.
and bottom. Yep.
Nah.
Yep. That's a buy right there, bro. No joke. Actually, you know what? Let me execute on your account real quick. Why not? Just for banter, you know?
No.
Just to play around real quick. Why not?
No.
So this low over here, getting respected. So if we break that, it's over. Possibly pull back to up here.
You think the trend's still bullish? Or just a retracement?
Alright, don't ask me that question. Well, it depends what time frame you're trying to talk about, you know.
Yeah.
There's a sell limit for gbpjpy, which we're not gonna get in because it's too over risky, and the move is not ideal move that I want. So remember I said we need in 5 minutes we need to move up here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Have you got the MT4 tab on your PC?
Yeah, why you hear it?
You said?
Do you hear it or what?
Bro, I don't hear the MT4. It don't make no noise, man. I'm just saying, like, if you got it open on your desktop, innit?
I have them. Yeah, I have it open, but I'm executing from my phone right now.
Pushing, man. Pushing.
Look at that, GA straight into profit. Let's go. 2 more minutes, bro. 2 more minutes. Can we have this? Can we get this pump?
Yeah, man.
See, this is why I was telling you earlier today or yesterday, some shit like that, how sometimes you want to focus on like pairs that are chill, you know? You don't want to go play around with these kind of pair where it's emotional roller coaster every minute. Because other pairs are just chilling at the top, right?
Yeah.
Look at gold, bro. Pull back, playing around with you, teasing you. But then when we push and when we break, we're gonna break all week, you know? thinking GA might be a better trade rather than gold. Not gonna lie.
But the thing is, you had a level, yeah, 1957.27, closure confirmation.
Where?
1957.27. You had that line drawn up before.
1952, you said?
1957.27.
Yeah.
And you said if it trades above the 195727, it's straight buys.
Yeah, it is. It is a buy.
It literally tapped it, and now we're trading above it. I think it's good, you know.
Yeah, it is good. It's just that it's not just about being right on the analysis, it's about execution perfectly as well, you know. So
Well, the 30 minute looks good, fam.
this guy said 30 minute looks good.
Perfect doji. Rejected off that line. Yeah, boy.
See, I want it up here at least in 2 minutes. We didn't get it. We're short. So we have 4 hour over here closing like here. Do you see? But do you see how cheeky this is? Look. We close above this candle. Do you understand?
Yeah.
It's actually disgustingly manipulated. It's unreal, bro. It's unreal how disgusting it is, man. That's a nice push on GA. 2 pip. Close 80%, guys. Let let everything run, you know. We should be good. Nah, so we're looking at gold buy, okay, from this level. And we're also looking at GA. Let me open another tab. That would be ideal. Where's GA? I think it's around here. So are we gonna push on GU? You see this? Pull back, push. We'll have to see. On gold, we're building a structure around here. Are we gonna see something like bam bam? You know? And then break above today, right? Looking at that. I'm gonna delete this line. I'm gonna delete this one. And I'm gonna delete this one. Clean, huh? It looks cleaner like that.
Hold on, fam. I'm 5 seconds behind. Yeah, it looks good still. It looks good.
So boys, ladies and gentlemen, right? We're gonna turn this trade analysis into real, okay? So basically, we're looking to buy from 1950 area. Right now we're trading above 1959. Still a perfect entry to get in. Stop loss below this low over here. Okay, last week low and stuff. So that will be around 50 pip, targeting all the way up into 2000 level for total of 430 pips. We should be securing some money if we break above here and then tapping into this 1990 area. Alright, so this could play out for the rest of the week, starting from today, Wednesday. It's going to Thursday, London, Asia, New York, into Friday. We can see this thing hitting 2000 level. And major key that you want to look at is a higher time frame. As you can see, we have a nice perfect level that we're trading above and closure above, even on dailies and stuff, that indicate us that we can come and retest this neckline. We can even go higher, but this is the level that we should be tapping into and securing our profit and targeting our full trades. But we can go higher than that. But let's not worry about that. Worry about what we can capitalize for this week. 500 pips is more than enough, you know. So let's see what, you know, how it plays out. You cannot tell me, Mo, I didn't catch a decimal right there again.
That's what I'm saying, fam. That's what I'm saying.
You just gotta let few days of me streaming, you know, let few people comes in, right? When everything start running this like this, bro. We're talking like 1 to 9, fam, you know? Talking about risking $100, making 900 here. Proper risk management. No like full margin, you know, trying to lose a lot of money to make few money. Like no bullshit like that. Yeah, so people also need to understand like these singular trade, because 2 years ago, right, as a trader, I believe that if I can achieve 500 pips, I'll be satisfied for the week, you know. But these type of trader these days, bro, even if I give them like these kind of trade, I'm pretty sure they're not satisfied. They want more, you know. But 500 is a lot, bro. 1 to 9, that's a whole like month's salary for some gurus, you know.
Yeah.
Oh man. So I do believe that in like 7 minutes from now, we're gonna see this thing push up above this 2 level here. Let me just highlight it, so we can just enjoy the PA, right? Unfold. See, I don't just sit here and like be like, oh, let market do whatever it's doing, you know, and then we'll execute. Nah, bro. Why don't we learn from it, right? So in like 1 hour from now, not 1 hour, in like 7 minutes from now, which is 15-minute candle, we're expecting to trade below above this level. Why? I'm explaining you why. If you look at 30-minute, we already have a doji, so we should be tapping into here with momentum going into New York Open, Stock Exchange Open. So looking at 4 hours, same thing. We already have a liquidity graph, fake out on both sides, spiking through, right? So we can see a clean move now, right? We can expect a clean volume move to kick in now. You feel me? So this is why you can't just be like, it is what it is and break even. No, it is what is gonna happen. Like, do you have to understand, like, all right, already done that. Now we expecting a volume move, and if that volume move doesn't provide it, then this trade is invalid, and you have to be careful. I also believe that if your account, right, hit if your account, let's just sit in small time frame. I want to see the PA deeper. But this risk reward is too big, man. I don't like that, you know. People gonna think I just slapped that thing on. And people join. There you go. Looks better like that, yeah.
Nah, they'll see in time, man.
So even on your account, if this goal like breaks above right now, right? Like your account's gonna blow up too.
Yeah, man. Are you watching this stream on another device?
I have it open on my Google.
Oh.
Same device, so I don't know if it counts.
Yeah, it does. I don't know.
It's fine. Give it a few days. I'm pretty sure YouTube's not gonna push me just streaming like 2 minutes, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stream tomorrow too, and then next week I'm gonna stream the whole week. Not whole week, like 3 days in a row. That will give us some traction. You see, we almost made like a structure here. Nice, right? So what can we expect over here, right? Can expect a bounce. But if it doesn't bounce, then we break, then we're done. We're done, you know. So we need to like respect the structure here, push up. Because you see, we already have 30-minute, right? Like candle closures and all that. So you have to keep in mind for these levels. It doesn't need to be it doesn't have to get violated because it's valid, right? Look at that, even on the fib, right? You see, draw highs and lows.
Yeah. Perfect, man. If people took that trade, there's still 25 pips profit, man.
That's what I mean. That's still 25 pips.
That's 2.5 times more than they used to, man. I can't wait until you're getting questions in chat, fam. I want to see the questions, man.
And also my eyes is like really giving me magnet level for this. Even the fib is showing me, and also I was telling you earlier yesterday how this level is really like important. Even though we're targeting like really high here, we gotta be really careful over here because we might see a bounce back down, and then for the next 2 days we just bounce back up, you know. So you want to like capitalize whatever you can get here, I think, so that we don't come back down and just waste a lot of time, you know what I mean? Like waste a lot of time when we can be taking profits here and then ride it out, no risk on the line. Alright, looks like it's playing out perfectly as I want. Let me just delete that. So yeah, we about to push, bro. We about to push. I think around 9:30 we can have a push to the upside. Right now it's 9:12, so we got like 27 minutes, 28.
Yeah, man. You know what I realized, yeah? When I watch a trading before, man doesn't even secure nothing, fam. Man just holds that shit.
Who?
You, blood.
Me?
Man just holds. Yeah, man.
Damn. Well, you don't have to. Don't copy me, bro, because you're gonna blow your account if you copy me. Cause I'm analyzing what I should do and what I shouldn't, you know. Because I was telling you earlier, remember, how like if as soon as we see this level get breaking, then the trade's invalid, right? Because now we're expecting another push down, maybe 30-40 pip, before I push back up. I don't know, but what I know right now is this structure doesn't need to be validated, right? It needs to push now or never, now or never. So I know when the market is gonna push. So I know that my setup needs to work exactly when, the timing of the market. So for example,
Yeah.
on the trade that I closed on Euro NZD, I'll show you exactly why I closed it. Look, see, like I was up like 30 pip here, right? This is a nice push down, 30-40 pip. I was gonna secure it, but I wanted this region to get broken here. Do you see? Because this momentum, if it continues, there's another 40-50 pip. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna hold this. And then as soon as I saw this push back up, I was monitoring around here. As soon as I saw this structure here, I was like, you know, because we can still come down. Don't get me wrong, but I wasn't getting a nice feeling because it's almost like my level that I mark, which I'll pull this down a little bit, this level was turning into support, resistance was turning into support, right? You see, bam, bam, bam.
Yeah.
So I got out. You know, you gotta be fluid with it. Gotta be fluid with the market. Because right now.
But that's what I mean, though. That's when experience comes to play, man.
No. I'm obviously violating a lot of rules for trading. Okay, but that's fine. I can do that because I know what I'm doing. But if you were to trade, or anybody to trade, even for me, if I'm not feeling like the perfect condition, like my psychology is not perfect, I'm distracted, all that, I'm tired, I will always secure. I will always secure, and especially if I get break even, I would not get in again. Do you know what I mean? Like, I would just be like, I would just call it. Like, I wouldn't take 3 trades, I wouldn't take 4. I'll only take 1-2 trade. If it is break even, I'm done. And then I'll hold that trade, and then I'll secure it 50 pips, secure it 30 pips, secure, like, I secure it little by little. And I'll secure, especially at these kind of level, you see? These levels, it's getting secured. And then tapping into this zone, secure it one more time, secure at this level here. And then breaking above this level, secure up here and here. So I'm securing like multiple levels, you know. It doesn't have to be one singular level. So right now, as you can see, we have a GU pushing up, right? Breaking the high. So goal, let's see what we can anticipate on this pair. As we also see USD CHF rollover analysis was posted in the Telegram. So if we trade, I also said that if we trade inside this box, right, we'll be able to see it structure down. Did I mention that? I think I said that. We did trade above that. We trade in it, and then we bounce back into the fib level, respecting this neckline, and then we bounce down. And then trading in here would give you a confirmation for sell here. See? So that was a clean move. Now we can just see a nice tap here and then bounce. See? That's a clean move. Like, it's not coming back to break even. You know what I mean? Chilling. So again, I'm excited, you know. I'm excited to break down a lot of analysis, look over the chart, learn a lot of price action, you know. Me myself, you know, you gotta be student of the market, right? Just chill, relax, do his thing.
Smoking weed.
Yup. Alright, let me hit that shit real quick then.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. So even USD CAD, remember when I asked you like a few days ago, where is it gonna be, right? You say buy, and then I say sell, and then sold, right? So now, if you want to go into higher time frame, so we see we have a really tricky area here. Bam, tap that zone here and here. Okay, so right now you see we're stalling above that. So if you break below that, next target for the week is gonna be clean move to the downside, and we can make it nice number. There you go. And believe me, we'll tap that level before ending the week, you know. And while we're talking about other pair, gold on the other side is taking off as we expected. So if we break above these level, we're gonna have a clean move. Let's delete that, keep the chart clean, you know. When you keep the chart clean, they're gonna provide you some income, you know. You stay dirty, you're always gonna be dirty, you know. So right now I'm up 2,000 on this goal. I think I can make 25,000 in this singular trade here to here. Okay. So everything is track called, you know. So we can use this video for evidence for this trade. Cut it down, post it as a reel, right? Show them what level we're talking on. So right now, floating, easy 25 pip, right? 30 pip, okay. That's easy. We're not even done yet. Don't worry. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, we're getting 100 pip this stream. First stream on YouTube, we're getting 130 pip. Guaranteed, bro. Talking these level. See this ON liquidity grab? We're gonna take that liquidity grab. We're gonna take it back. You know? He grabbing us, we grabbing back. So if you look at higher time frame perspective, right? One of my favorite time frame is 2 hours, right? I don't like to share my time frame. It's like my, you know, my girlfriends, you know, each one of them. So I don't like to give people my time frame, but 2 hours gotta be like one of my favorite one, right?
Why is that?
Why is that? It's just more appealing to my eyes. You know, it's just more appealing. I see clear. What the hell just happened to my charts? This thing just disappeared. You see that? Oh, there you go. Yeah, 2 hours is one of my favorite. I use them for at least 3-4 years, or 3 years. I think 3 years and 5 months ish. I remember. Because you see, you don't want to focus on a lot of small time frame. What are you gonna do here? What are you looking at anyway? Right? Look at this. This is a fuck show, right? You want to look at nice higher time frame, right? So if we were to able to, let's go to this chart, yeah, shall we? Shall we go to this chart? So you see, we got highs and lows, clean. And let me just refresh this to show you. We got high, and then we came low. Fake out, bounce to the upside, right? And then push back down, and we extended a lower. But did we break the low? We didn't. Bounce. And then we have a push down today. I mean Tuesday, at New York, and then we push back up. So if you look at 30-minute, right? We went back up on New York, came back down on what? London here. Then push at pre-New York. Now we're stabilizing to push to the upside. Asia session didn't even really move around here, so it doesn't really need to even mention about that part. But if you look at higher time frame, it's really simple, because the best way to look at it, let me just put this line as white so we can all see how clear it can be when you mark the proper line and when you have the proper nice chart as mine. This color, you know, it may disgust you guys, right? It may disgust you, bro, but this is like the sauce giving out, you know? Because okay, now look, you don't want to look at these candles, right? I feel like people don't even know how to use the chart properly, right? So hold on, let me just check position real quick. And profit, chilling, you know, no worries. So you wanna look at these crosshair, right? You gotta focus on the crosshair, right? So if you look at the line, if you see I put the line over here, and look, if I pull all the way back here, we're trading above that. What do we have? What happened every time we trade above that? Bounce, right?
Which is up for.
Yeah. So we know for a fact that if we go to weekly, right? Let me just mark that level. even though we do not need, we just show the preference. See, we're trading above that, so we can potentially tap into this neckline here, which is 1990, easily taken from just off that. And same thing with this level, 1942. This was the low of the fake out. Let me delete that. We don't need that anymore. Delete that. Delete that. Okay. We came down. This is an important level. Why is that? Because look, if we pull this across 1942, it's a weekly crit. Okay. We came into a spike level here, trading above. Now, if you go to weekly again, we have a support level here. If you pull this level above this doji candle, this is a support level we just built, right? And we traded above, we have closure above over and over. Now we're stabilizing above this important structure of level of range. So if this structure end up closing above, we're gonna see just bounce, right? Following up and mirroring what we have over here. Do you see? Because we have this bam 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 and then bam, right? So this move here is gonna get duplicated around here. Do you understand? Do you see now?
Yeah.
1990. So after that, we may have a range again here to push up. We're not gonna come back down, but we'll have a range built. Okay, we don't have to be worried about trade not going our way, because it will. It's already are going our way. You just have to manage your position right now, you know. Do whatever you gotta do. Secure your 80%. You know. And I also have a feeling that gold is gonna like pump on like late New York. You know, we've been seeing a lot of USD pair moving late New York these days. That GU trade running 6,000 on your account, huh?
Yeah, man. Carrying, fam.
Yeah, that guy's carrying bad. So is Odd Cat.
We also win half on the odd card as well.
Odd Cat been going
we closed half and break even.
Yeah. Just be cautious because it was at drawdown. You know what I mean? We were at drawdown.
Yeah.
So gotta be cautious about that one. That's why.
Shit, man! If you didn't close half and you
shut your ass up.
Shit, man.
Well, look, I'm gonna add another position right now. You wanna play around? We'll see. I'm showing you, bro. I'm showing you. So, looking at, we have a resistance here that I've drawn. Bam, bam, bam. Delete that. So we need some hygiene on this chart, right? We need to clean this shit up, right? Let's delete everything. So that level there, what would that be? 89550. That's what it will be. So execution here, stop loss 50 pips, bang it.
I closed it, you know, on my competition account.
Yeah, well, that's fine.
I closed at 500 because bro, those headed rejections, bro.
Well, it is Odd Cat.
I was at 2.5% as well, so I was like, yo, let me just take that.
At least it's only rejection. It's not a fucking 100 pip drop like gold, bro. Relax.
Yeah.
Because look, right now we have a candle closure above this level right now, right? Exactly how I wanted earlier. But I wanted that like 30 minutes ago. So Why do I feel like that price action is disgusting, bro?
Isn't it?
But I feel like there's a lot of fake out going on because you know whenever there's like a huge move that's about to happen, right?
Yeah.
They just like do these things, man.
That's what GG does, man.
Yeah, GJ ranged like 20 years before one candle.
Bro, GJ ranged like 20 years, and then on a Friday, it pushes 400 pips, man.
Yeah, exactly. Like even now, right? This is basically its range right here, you know? Because this buy here wasn't like that great because if you were to draw a fib, what are you gonna draw from here to here? Right? Still not the perfect one because we're at the peak of the level, we're trying to see a sell. But the sell is gonna only be validated if we trade below this neckline though. So this will be a high risk sell from up here, you see. But you're saving at least what, like 30 pip, you know?
Yeah.
So if you're getting here, your stop's gonna be 20, 30 pip. But if you're getting it down here, it will be a high probability trade, but it will stop will be like 30 to 40 pip. So in reality, the perfect trade will be waiting below this, not being a hero and catching above it because it's not looking that great. Honestly, it doesn't look that great. But on JPY as well, right? I wanted to see, let me see. So we see we have a quarterly neckline here I've drawn. So if we put it down here a little bit, we're literally tapping it right now, right? So I just adjusted it a little bit, and we're literally trading on it.
But it looks like so bad, fam.
Yeah, it looks. See, it's melting already. So even on GJ right now, right? See.
Yeah.
So this thing can just take out this low. You see 1, 2, 3 rejection. You know, this is why I never recommend like people that just start trading trade this pair because look, this looks really disgusting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejection. How are you gonna like even determine what direction this is gonna go? Because this is looking like it's gonna turn around. But beginners won't understand that they think it to like take above, right? You see what I mean? They're trying to take above from here. They're thinking like we close above the support, bam, 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 take off. Like, nah, bro, you're about to get railed. That's what's about to happen. You're about to get railed. All the stuff is about to get destroyed.
Oh, you know the 2 hour GG. Would you call that head and shoulders as well?
Let me check real quick.
It looks kind of choppy though, but.
Alright, let me check. 2 hours. You wouldn't say that on 2 hour, but you can say that on a higher time frame.
Yeah.
But it's a really shitty one, bro. You know,
Yeah,
it is a really shitty one. Because the reason it's shitty is because we have two fake one push here, one more push, and then we have a final push, the third tap. So you see how I told you about the third tap, right? 1, 2, and the third push, right? Something like that, right? And then push down. So same thing here. I feel 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you look, right, we have a fake out, bam, bam. So you can't even draw the trend line here. You know, you don't want to see that anyway. But I'm just showing you the highs and lows here. But what's important is this level here. That's all that matters. Okay. So what you need to see, what you need to take from this analysis anyway is delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. All that don't matter. So this is the low, then we made lower low, and then we push lower high, right? And then we came down, lower low, and then lower high, and then lower low, right? And then equal low here, then we push up. So the reason this is still gonna be a push and a push is because look, we didn't break this. Do you see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
We didn't break that. I mean, even if we break that, doesn't mean we're gonna come down like significantly. It only means that we can still have a range all the way down here. So right now, as you can see, we push up, but we couldn't break 1, 2, 3, right? So we broke
back
this.
Back in 2 minutes, bro. Back in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Okay.
The delivery man's coming.
Okay.
I'm back. Bro, 1962 fat. That's 50 pips, bro.
Yeah, boy. You know that meme?
Which?
You never seen this?
Show me.
On the stream.
Work that into me. Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and
Rub that
spicy
shit.
meat.
Rub that goal.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
That's it. That lovely. Life could be.
Bruh. You saw that meme?
Yeah, man. I seen that. That's from the UK, man.
Oh man. I think that's it, bro. We take off now. That's what you call the, you know, a nut candle. How's your account looking? Let me check you real quick. Oh boy.
Oh shit, hold on, I ain't fixed it yet.
I'm not on your account, bro. It's on autopilot. If it blow, you know?
Hey, yo. Nah, don't say that.
7,000 on that GU trade. Oh boy. You see, bro, this is why I'm telling you, bro, you don't need 20 lot. You don't need 20 lot like this guru. You don't need 30 lot like this guru, man. You only need 6 lot, bro. 6-9.
Yeah.
You know?
Bro, you went half risk as well.
Hell yeah, bro.
You lost the first one, not the last. Well, it did hit 50 pips, but, you know. So that's half a risk. That's fucked up, man.
And also, you see, like that one lot that I put, 700.
Yeah.
Bro, come on, bro. You can't play. You know, you just gotta relax, keep it calm, man. See that goal, bro? I don't even notice it's there. Just running in the background, paying the dividend. You know.
Yeah, you can't even see that one.
Okay, well, we talk a little too much over here. Look at that drop. What the hell? Why are they playing around with us, bro? Oh, what the hell, bro? What are these levels and wicks? Oh, hell nah, bro. What is that? But do you see how I told you like you need to watch out at this level? Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. GU. See?
Mhm.
So gold. Let's just hope that we don't do the same. Fam, these people could be making hundreds of pips, man. Where they at? Tap in. I'm thinking to close GA, you know. Nah, whatever. If it blows, bro. I don't care. If it melt, 5,000 pip, it melt, bro.
Oof, nah.
GA gonna melt, bro. About to get
Not
tapped.
5,000 pips, so.
You gotta get tapped, bro. Well, I have a feeling like GJ's gonna melt, like 2,000 pip. Let's check out EU real quick, shall we? Look at that, EU bounce, looking good. This is a decimal, bro. Decimal. Where's AU?
Oh, gold just, yo, man. Rebounded, fam. Rebound.
I'm telling you, bro, it's trapping people. Don't you see it's trying to blow those people that try to catch 10 pip with stop loss 10 pip 20 lot, bro?
Would you say that's like indication of a big move pending?
Yes, bro. Yes. I'm calling my boy to load up his position. We about to take off. But, you know, they're like, hold up, bro. He's like, let me kill those people who's not wearing seatbelt. I'm like, cool. I'm wearing seatbelt. That's all that matters, right? Wait.
Boy, you don't even wear that shit.
Do you see that? Yeah, my car doesn't have seatbelt, by the way.
What?
No, it does. It just don't work because I never uses it. So you see how I also have this analysis for buy? Gee.
Yes. I also remember getting out of it, man.
Alright, goal rebounding. Cool. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. You're telling me the first day of the stream, I'm catching nut candles already? Damn, bruh. Let's look at 15 minute. It look a little bit more appealing, you know, to the eyes. They're like, oh shit.
Well, put the entry slide to the right, bro.
Like that?
Hold on, I'll tell you in 5 seconds, man.
Yeah, I got it. Don't worry. That's guru shit. I got you, boy.
Yeah.
That's guru stuff. I got you. Got in 20 hours ago and then shifted to the left side. God damn. Straight scam, bro. Daniel said, oh, let's not say the names, yeah? Well, I don't even give a fuck, bro, if I say the names, you know? As soon as they're gonna be my fanboy anyway. They'll be like, damn, bro, this guy catching like 100 pip every day on goal. Gotta make some bread on the side. Side income streaming. Tune into the stream. That's the thing though, tomorrow when I stream, I don't think I'm gonna have any trades. You know, I can give a quick 15 pips trades, you know?
Yeah.
But like, damn. You know, I can give a quick 15 pips trades, you know? And by the way, bro, I think, like, damn. I think that 2 people that you saw on the stream was someone else because it doesn't count as mine. Or do you quit the stream?
No, I'm still watching.
Okay.
There's
then,
one
yeah.
right now. There was just 3 though. There was just 3.
There's 3?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'm watching it like just in case.
Yo, call your grandma, call your granddad, call your daddy. Everybody get in here, boy. Just don't bring your girlfriend because you might end up with me.
Yeah.
I knew GU was a banger, bro. I knew it, bro. I knew it. It played around with us for 2 days, huh? Look at this candle, bro. Oh my god, bro. Wait, why don't I have the guru tool? Hold up. I'll just slap it in, bro. What the hell? Just slap this guru tool, man. Let me just push this up too. Hell yeah, stall blastitis. Hell, let's get it. I mean, I'm making things up. It's true.
Yeah.
They may think I'm making things up though. That's the thing. Oh, this is a clean move though. Can't lie. But do you see how much it fake out down here on small time frame though? That's disgusting.
For the gold.
Mhm.
Yeah, man.
Damn, you're up 11K, huh?
Let me see my MT5. Let me see that. Yeah.
See, when you get the prize, you're gonna give me the 300K account and you're gonna keep the money, yeah? Cool, that's the deal. This guy's like, what a bitch. What you gonna do? You're gonna blow that account anyway. You gambler. God damn, bro.
Yeah, but calm.
You give it to me, I generate 40K. Easy. I already did 10K over here, you know? So when we're going live, I'm gonna just cut that position down, you know. You wanna be smart. So if I'm making 10K I mean 11K floating right now on your account, I'm gonna cut it down to half, right? So in singular day or even in singular week, if I'm making 5K on the account, combining consistent 5 another K for 5 weeks, bro, that's 25K, you know. And then here and there you get like nice trade, bang that thing, scale it up, like that's 40K, you know. Like, and then you get a trade like this that you risk like 1,000 and hold it all the way up here, bruh, that's 9K, you know.
Yeah,
man. You should flex on your IG, bro. Pull out your M24, flex on these kids.
Show what time with them.
Yeah, be like, hey, bro, what you guys talking about? Bro, I caught this goal at decimal, man. 3 times in a row, bro. 3 times in a row. Like down here, here, and here. Like, bruh.
I want the people at the airport to know that I'm funded, man.
Man, you're a clown. Wow, that push, bro. That push. Oh my god, look at that. An hourly. Look at that hourly, bro. That's how you know we're about to kill everybody. People are gonna try to sell up here and then it's gonna just bounce. You know why people are gonna sell up here, bro? You wanna know why?
Why?
Okay. Let me show you some rookie mistakes. What do you see?
Hold on. 5 seconds.
It's a downtrend. See? So
Yeah.
but it's a short
But
term.
you made a high though, and a high low.
No, we made exactly at the point here. Okay, so, but this is a zoom in. This is zoom in, right? See, this is zoom in. Okay, but now this move over here can just be pushed down, right? People are gonna think like that, right? But you also gotta understand, bro, most people don't even know how to spot higher high and higher low properly. Even you don't know before you see me, bro.
Yeah.
You ready to see another candle pop or what?
I'm ready for.
Alright, count it down until 100. You're gonna see this thing pop.
Well, it's not. Nobody's only one view, fam. Nah, man.
It's fine. First day.
Yeah, man.
I'm happy even if we have like 20 viewers, you know. The reason behind it is because at least now I know that, you know, me providing this 100 pip over here move, someone is like eating, right? And also potentially people can learn again, because I'm sitting here dropping hella gems, bro. We're talking like how people gonna sell this area, how that chart, how this chart, what zone to look for, how to keep the chart clean. Nobody talk that, bro. Nobody's talk about that. You know, everybody just zoom in like this. Everybody just zoom in like this, bro. Like, what is that, bro?
Yeah.
They don't even know how to position the chart properly. It's actually crazy. Like, if you look right now, even we're not doing anything, the chart tells us stories over here. It tells a story. Like, if you look at like people that trade, they just zoom in to see what's gonna happen on the next candle from previous candle. Like, that's just not enough data and perspective, you know, to zone in, tunnel vision. So what you think, bro? You're gonna give me 60% or 50%?
Up to you, fam.
Alright, I'm gonna take 80%.
Yeah.
I wonder if I should close a GA. Yo, 12. Oh, what did I tell you? We're gonna pump when we get here. Didn't I tell you that?
Yeah.
See, it's a volume that you need to read. Like, volume around these areas generated like significantly.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, let's get it, bro. Look at your account.
Oh shit, yo.
Shit. Can we make this a real? Can we make this a real, bro? Make this a real.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, we're about to tap 1969 as I listed on previous analysis, and we took 30 to 40 minutes on this singular trade to catch at least 120 pip. More to come. We're looking to tap into 1980 today, and we're potentially going to take it all the way up into 2000 level here. Okay, so we're looking to breach above this level. If we start trading above this level, continuation is easily possible throughout the day, and I'm going to be looking to take some profit on 1990 as well. All right, so you know, we put that into real, right? Post that on IAG and TikTok and stuff, because
I'll post it on the YouTube short as well, man.
Yep. You see, because I have break this down before we took it, you know. Like, there's a lot of part we talked about this trade deep down, from higher time frame to lower time frame. We cut everything down. So this has to go to.
I'm gonna learn how to do it. You know, I've never done a short before. Man.
And also, I want the music behind it. You know, the music that I send you. Like, you know, we come in, music, bam, zoom out, right? So
yeah, man.
Yep. Wow, this is the candle we've been looking for, bro. This is the candle we've been looking, bro. This the candle we've been looking, bro. Like, come on, man. You think we're done? We're not done, bro. Where you think we're going next? We still have 3 hours left. You think we're done? Nah, bro. We still have 100 more pips, bro. Why do you think I have a blue box over here, man? We're going into that, bro. Another 10K, man. Let's go. What the hell?
Bro, if there's a blue box, fam, I already know what that means, you know.
Yeah, bro. We tapping that zone. You're up 13 racks on your account.
Yeah, man.
So.
But I appreciate you giving me another opportunity, bro. I appreciate it a lot, man.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna take 80%, bro. Yeah, no problem, no problem. All right,
Nah, bro, like really, like deep down, bro. I appreciate it a lot, man.
Yeah,
I'm not just saying it because you took a win, or you know, even if you took a loss, bro. You know what I mean? Like, there's a higher chance of you doing this than me, man. So,
Yep,
you know,
no problem. And that's the thing. Like, I don't mind. Like, the only reason I would never do favor like this to people is because it requires a lot of psychological strength to be trading on multiple accounts. You know, especially if someone is telling me like their life depends on this account and stuff. You understand what I mean?
yeah, no.
Yeah. So it's a lot of like, this is why when you ask me like, did I do some like streaming stuff, I'm like, no, bro, because I did a lot of analysis. I made sure that my trades are all 100% like on point, and also I have to make sure that I'm not taking break even almost 3-4 times on your account because we're up a lot of money, right? So I have to do a proper decision that require me a lot of energy, because bro, people cannot just sit here and make these kind of trades and not like break, you know, in a few days, because it's a lot of energy need to be invested, emotional energy. So for example, this is why I was really careful with what decision I do on your account, because if I do one wrong decision, I would not be able to trade for the rest of the week, because you have to understand, you have to be really self-aware. Also, we already tapped 1970 over here. We also have to be really aware, like for example, like psychology wise, right? Let's talk about psychology. For example, if you were to be up $10,000, and then you hold that thing because you want to not securing and go into target, and just say your account is like down 1%, which is 3,000, right? 3,000, maybe 4,000. You're up 10,000. You go into profit. You didn't secure because you're targeting, right? You should at least secure 3-4,000 so that you're at break even, right? And then everything's running profit. But you didn't do that. So obviously that was the scenario on your account earlier, and that did come back down to pull back all the way from 6,000 to 3,000, right? Profit. And then you're thinking like, should I close it here? Is it gonna go to break even? And then you have to make a decision where you're not gonna close it. But if that plays against you, then now you had just left almost 2% on the table when you could have ended the week with +1, right? So in order for you to make a proper right decision, you need to analyze and refigure and reset and step back and look properly what's gonna like occur in the market without emotional attach, right? And it's really hard thing to do, and it's a skill that it requires a lot of like practice.
energy.
Yeah, energy. Yeah, energy mostly. And that's the thing though. I'm not saying I have mastered it, because I'm not. I realize that if I do it often, because the reason I say if I make a wrong decision and if it didn't go my way, then I cannot take a trade anymore, because at that point, my psychology is done for the week, right? It's not gonna be perfect because I have left a lot of money on the table, and also the account is down. I'm not willing to take another singular risk, because it's gonna affect some error, human error. Okay, even if you perceive everything as perfect, you're still gonna do emotional error, because that's how psychology and emotion work. Because when your emotion is high, you're not doing a right decision, and you're not doing anything clearly, because you're angry, you're anxious, all that stuff, right? So you want to be really careful with the action you take. So for example, now that we're up almost 15,000 on your funding account, we have to look what we're planning to do. So for example, now that we're up almost $10,000 profit after going break even, we need to look for what are we trying to take out of the market. Because you have to understand, the most people fail in the market in funding program is because they don't have an expectation on singular trade, how much they want to make, how much they want to secure, how much they want to keep it as a cushion for next trade. They don't have any plan. So you want to think about, how much profit can I secure, and then make my account looking nice, break even, whatever, right? Look at that rejection here, right? You want to make sure every decision you do is proper. It's not emotional and money like phase. So you want to think about how much. Okay, so let's see why we're spiking up and down here for a second. Okay, never mind, it's nothing big deal, don't worry about it. So we have a hourly candle close, you see, that's why it spiked down. So we can draw a singular line over here, bam bam, turn that thing to blue, and I'm literally giving step by step to track down price action position right there, right? So we're gonna be bouncing from this level back up. Okay, no big deal, we chilling. So like I said, it needs to be straight plan, right? Let me check my account too. I can just sit here and do nothing, talk about this. Wow, that's not good. Can you hear the telegram?
What you say?
Do you hear the telegram going off on my computer or not?
Oh, I got no audio on my computer, man.
Okay, it's all good. Let me just mute this telegram. This guy been spamming his telegram. God damn it. Okay, so like I was saying, right? You need to have a vision where you want to take your profit, especially. Like, why do you want to take it, right? You don't want to regret after taking it that you take it because you are antsy and you want to take the profit. For example, the prime example right now is, like I said, I see a reaction around this area, right? Exactly, that's what happened. 1969, we closed exactly at 10 a.m. EST. You know, like, bro, like, it's not. Everything will fall into place when you manage your money properly, which will reward you psychologically in a positive way to do the right thing in trade. You will see everything clearly, right? This is why I feel like technical analysis can be simplified and really clean when you master the money management. Because once you master money management, you're gonna have a trust in yourself to not lose like 4, 5, 6, 7 times and still not blow your account, you know. Because people may say like, oh, if I lose 10 times, I'm gonna lose 10%. No, if you're losing that much, you can lower down your position size. Do you know what I mean? Why you dig deeper, you know?
Yeah.
So that's why when you master money management, psychology will become like a friend to you to help you out in the market. So this is why, like, I'm really focused on decisions that I make, right? Decision that I make would dictate how this trade is gonna play out initially, and how I can capitalize on the trade as well. So 1969, we have a bounce. So looking at 4 hour right now, let's check US30 real quick while we're chilling here. Okay, so US30, as you can see, we tap into this zone, so we're rejecting. So we're trading above this horizontal ray. So if we break below this, we can see a bounce back down. Does that make sense though? Things that I say.
Yeah, it makes sense, bro. Give me 1 minute. 1 minute. My mom just came back from work.
Okay, okay. So gold, we're respecting the structure. If you look at nice 15 minute here, we have made a wick tapping into this high. Now we can just see a bounce to the upside. Okay, simple clean cut analysis. Hourly, new hourly candle spike through to this zone here, right? 1965. Yeah, we can just bounce to the upside.
I'm a 5% away from securing a 25k account, man.
And this guy.
Bro, that's what I mean, bro. 15% already in like 1 week, bro. And because it's a demo account, man, just holding it. If there was a challenge, bro, I wouldn't even hold past 2%, man.
Well, you need a psychology that can manage those kind of emotion. It's all good, man. You don't need to make 5% in singular trade. You don't need to make 50% in single week. You don't need that.
Yeah, man.
8% a month can make you a living, bro. You know, banker can't even make 8% a year, bro.
Yeah, I know, man. But I don't even need 8%, you get me? I can just, bro, I just want a fat account. Tiny risk, catch a little bit of tips, and I'll pay up.
In order for you to get that, you need to properly discipline yourself to get the smaller account.
Yeah, I know, man, I know.
Because if you can't handle emotionally on the smaller account, then you can't handle the big one.
Yeah, right.
And I'm kind of annoyed that I'm too good at this levels, man. Right now we're just bouncing back. I don't like this. So in 10 minutes, I'm looking to see gold to possibly move back up, tapping into this level here. You see, from here, I can mark this zone all the way down here. We're looking to tap into here, but that's too big, right? Let's simplify it down into this zone. So please, gold, please, I beg you, bro. Let's just end the week and end the day. But that's the thing. Gold can come all the way down here and then go back up. That'll be hella annoying. But you also see we also tap into this zone already on GU. And if you draw a fib here to here, see? Gotta be careful. Especially trading on a downtrend. Still though, this is still not breaking yet, you know, you still have a lot of space to push back up. So for example, this is where more traders will get in on buys and stuff, right? So it wouldn't stop us to come down here. It's not a big deal. But I need this trade to hit our target where I have my crosshair, 1980. I need that. 150 pips not enough, bro. I need like 300. So let me check your account real quick. Your account's running 10K. Let's see. Yo, look at odd cat, bro. This ain't looking that great.
Yo.
So we might have to start securing some profit here. So I want to see gold to tap back into this zone here, and then we're gonna start securing all the money. Okay. So you see how like gold come to the level that I've drawn here. Wait, right? 1965. See. So we wanna see if we can trade above this, because if not, we can just melt down back all the way here. How odd cat is melting. I don't know why it is doing that, but look at this, bro. We spike through, tap into this level here, you see? And then bam. So if you draw a fib here to down here, we're back into the fib. Gotta be careful. Let me just focus up real quick. Focus up in the right direction and decisions that we could make. So odd cat, nothing big deal. I think we can just bounce back up. It's just a huge pullback, huge liquidations. Same thing with GU. We're looking to stabilize above this area. If we can push a little bit more and respect this zone, we can just see it push into this zone. Because I feel like we can't just give people the huge candle to the upside. Everybody will be rich at that point, right? Some people gotta get messed up over here. So I think if we go back to high and if your accounts go back up a little bit, we're gonna start closing a little bit of position. Okay. So what do you think I should do? Give me advice.
Bro, I'll give you advice here. Just do what you normally do.
No. What would you do here?
Bro, I would have been out of the trade, fam.
Okay, let's get out of the trade.
Nah. I mean, I would have been out of the trade, bro, at 1% profit.
The only reason I'm still holding right now, if I'm not looking at gold, I would have got out. Because gold is showing me that we can stabilize above 1965 and we can push up. And GU is showing me a significant level that we just got tapped into, and potentially this is a target I'm looking to like take some money off, and we already tapped into it. This is almost from down here to here is like 120 pip, right? And scaling over here 80 pip. So the only reason I'm still holding it is because of gold, because I want to see gold to push back up this high here. If we do that, then we can stabilize above and push up and close candle as a bullish candle on this hourly candle. But if that doesn't happen, then we can just melt back down from the fib level that I just showed you on the counter trend trade, you know, because of course the volume is going to be a lot more stronger when you're trading a trade that is short-term sell over here and you're selling it. Do you understand what I mean? I mean, you're buying it. So they're going to be a more like a strong push to the opposite direction. So let's see what gold can provide us here, because we're trying to like trade below this, which I don't like, because you have to understand these levels are really accurate, right? Look at this shit, right? So this trading below this is a big no-no for me. Even though it's like 1 pip, is a problem for me. So we'll see what we can do here. And also, let me just go to another chart, and another chart, and another chart. I need to start focus up. Yeah, this is a reversal point. Yep, exactly. This is a reversal point. You see? Do you see what I mean? So we either break into this zone and continue bullish, or we reject this zone here and then come back down. The thing is, the move that we wanted already happened. Do you understand? So let's see, let's wait like few more seconds. I want to see how this 15-minute candle close, because I need to make sure that my positions don't go back into break even, as you would say. You see, it's simple. Like, you want to catch 20 pip? Here you go. Sell on my level. God damn, this is more than 20 pip. This is 70 pips, bro. Imagine you get on and you sell here. That is just maniac right there. Alright, you see how it's stabilizing? See?
Mm-hmm.
So if you draw a fib from down here to up here, bam. Why
What do
here?
you think was that from? What do you see?
What, you know why I draw
know?
here? 930, New York switch over. And we're trading above the support, and that's the low and high that we just made. You understand?
Yeah.
I don't even need to draw the fib. I can just, that's why I say give it a few minutes to see what happened around here, because that's the area that is important. Same thing with gold. I mean, gold's a lot harder. You don't want to play with fib. You can come down all the way here and go back up, you know? I've seen that over and over and over. That's why you want to be really, really careful. But market is really choppy though, I'm not gonna lie. USDCHF playing out perfectly to the pinpoint. We came down. Now we're trying to like trade below this, then it will be a nice push to the downside. So finally, I want to also go over DXY. As you can see here, we to the pit. So we can see another final push down, liquidating this low, and then we're gone.
Yeah.
We're gone, bro. So let's just hope. I don't like the word hope, but I'm not hoping because I already anticipated rejection around this area, right? And that's what is happening. I'm monitoring every level possibly I can monitor, and I will try to close this trade out if we tend to close below these levels. Right now, if we're looking like we're gonna push up and close above this, and hopefully we do. We have 26 seconds to see what's gonna happen. This is 5-minute candle though, so it wouldn't be that strong. So if we can close, we can just turn over still. So let's see. 13 seconds. We closed below that level. We had a rejection. So the decision that we gotta make right now: do we hold or do we close? Right. So I'll give it another few more minutes before I close this position. But now I'm leaning towards closing the position because I don't want to come down lower, right? It's better to secure the profit color today and start another day with another setup, because I'm not willing to lose the money that I just made staying up and stuff. The only reason I also said wait for a few more minutes because we're going to 10:30 where the volume, another volume session kicks in, right? Where London switch closing London market, right? So that final volume may just bounce hard, but DXY over here is also playing a significant role as well. So let's track down this lower time frame of DXY, making bam pull back, and maybe another one more tap down. You see, bam here. Okay, you see, 1 2 3. So we predicted from literally from here top, right, this melt, and I feel like alright, I think I'll be closing some of my position because we're seeing a bearish momentum here for some fucking reason. So your account is running 10K. GU is still stabilizing, no big problem there, you see.
Well, if gold was to fall, wouldn't you follow?
Not particularly, but US dollar wise, yes. Well, we just left 5K on the table on your account. This is why I'm kind of hesitant to close. 5K is pretty good amount. But I also don't want to stay in the trade to give it out more, right? So let's just wait a little bit more. See what happened here. Oh, look at that push down. Because I still do believe the volume. Look at this candle, bro. Holy. You see this?
Yeah.
I like it though, look. Do you see? Bam, bam, bam. So I think this is the final push for liquidity grab, and then we push up. But that's the thing, this one can come all the way down here and still bounce back up later in the day, right? So you really want to be careful about that part. USD CAD. Remember what I was saying earlier?
Yeah, so was mine.
Yep. Yeah, this is gonna go back up. Holy shit, this market is crazy, huh?
Well, how did you melt like that after pushing so much now?
We have 5 minutes. I want to see how this candle close here. We're gonna reject this 1962 here.
Yeah.
5 more minutes. 1962 rejection or what?
Yes.
DXY still pushing out though. Yeah, so AUD CAD is still moving down too, which is what I don't also like. You have to understand, like, this thing can come back down here, you know? If that were to happen, then everything will just melt. Because look at this 4 hour, right? You see?
Yeah.
But that's the thing, this was the move we already caught. 120. Are we gonna be able to close above this? How many hours do we have? 2 hours left. Fuck me, 2 hours left to close that candle. Your account is at 9,000 right now. 9K. is a crazy move, bro. You can't even lie. We got 1 minute left. Look at this candle, bro. That's Oenda right there playing around with us, bro. See? I wasn't lying about that level. Oenda playing around with us, man. Come on, please close above. $20, bro. 20. What are we gonna do? Any guess?
What's above, man?
15 seconds? That's wilding. That's definitely a slaughterhouse today in the market, huh? This range, this buys, this fallback, this first, this yo, like nah, fam, that's messed up, bro. That's messed up. You cannot even lie, like sells.
Well, you
buys,
can't. How do you trade that shit, man?
You can't trade that, bro. This is why, like, I'm being really cautious with the decision I make. I'm being really careful because I'm about to make mistakes, like, because the market is crazy right now, crazy. So are we gonna see this thing pop up or what? Or are we gonna see this thing come here and then come back down? Because now we're trading, because you look over here, we close this below, right? You just melt down. Do you understand? You have to understand this hourly candle is still open. Only 30-minute close, right? But 30-minute didn't close below this here. It closed above this. And also, even though let me just make sure that I'm not. Yeah, it closed below. Can't even make this shit up. So GA buy. Let's check it out, yeah? Wow, bro, I just missed the entry. Do you see this? I had an entry here, do you see?
Yeah.
I just missed it. Yeah, for like a buy limit. I think I have an idea. I think we close out gold and we take GA. Like close out USD pairs, you know what I'm saying? So let me just refigure this real quick. Is it still melting? Can you look for me?
You sure?
I think I'm gonna just give it a few more chance to see how this pair react, because we're not in. But do you see this rejection here? Do you see that? That's a huge rejection on higher time frame. So this candle can move down. So yeah, I'll say what? I'll tell you what, right? You see US30 is moving up too, so meaning gold can fall lower. I'll tell you what. We're gonna let these trades run, but I'm gonna also take GA, a little tiny lot. You feel me? Maybe like 15 lot, right? So as you can see, GA is moving up, right? GA is moving up, so let's see what's other on the table and on the menu over here. On the menu, what's gold doing? Gold looking like I want to move up and you want to move down. So delete this. Leave it as it is. Look, I already executed GA on your account, right? Looking to see potentially you want to see something? Check
No,
that out. Banger, bro. Look at your account.
yo, already, you know.
Banger, bro. Alright. Let's check your
Bro, that was literally a dumb vote trade, man.
Oh, relax, boy.
Yo, that's a dumb vote trade, bro.
Nah, bro, you're talking shit, dog. He would have closed out at 5 pip. What you talking about? All right, so look, I have a clean idea here, right? You see how we can tap into this zone here on gold? But you have to also be careful, like the previous candle was a huge rejection on different time frames. So this trade is a scratch off, I would say. Meaning we're done, you know, we already violated that. So let's go to, man. You think that's a downward trade? That's fucked up. Talking shit about other people, bro.
Yes. Yo, it's ripping though, man.
What, AU? I mean GA?
Yeah.
I already have stuff to break even. Look at that 2 hours, bro. I told you this yesterday too, how we're gonna bounce from this level on GA. Bro, it's taking off, fam.
Yo.
This is nice, extra 60 pip here. 80 pip, never mind.
I feel like trades to take a box should help a lot, you know. You know, if random people join right now and they see like, at the bottom gold 120 pips, you know.
Yeah,
Like, oh shit.
definitely.
See, if I was trading on this account, bro, you see the rejection, I would have entered right now. Stops below that wick, bro.
This one? Well, you
Yeah.
could, like I said, the analysis is still valid, but I'm saying like, I'm trying to keep your account afloat, bro. I'm not trying to like play around
No,
with
no,
the money.
I'm just saying, if I was gambling on my account, you know.
Yeah, because trust me, like when I'm telling your goal's gonna go up to these level, it will, But I'm not willing to lose money in here. Do you understand? Like I'm not willing to lose money in here. And one of my account has a position running from down here, but it's only 2 lot. Like it's not losing anything.
I closed everything on my challenge account.
Yeah, that's good. How much was it?
I'm up 12%.
Yeah, that's good. Now you gotta call it a week.
Yeah, man.
Oh shit, what the fuck just happened?
Oh, gold looks disgusting, man.
Exactly.
That looks like shit, man.
And that's the thing, is preparing for the big move, right? So someone gotta die first. Could have been you if you were trading this account, bro. Definitely getting like slapped left and right. You see this spike? Okay, look. That's crazy because it wasn't just oh my god, look at that, bro. Do you remember this?
Boy, that looks good, fam.
That was the
Bro,
thing
that
that I
looks
was explaining earlier on
clean.
AJ, remember?
Yeah.
So, like, look, if you look at 1 hour ish, or 30-minute, 50-minute actually. Nah.
No, the 10 looks.
So it push. So every pair had a fake out. You saw that? Not like
Yeah.
fake out, almost like a spike up to the zone. Even GJ, see? Taken. AU, target, look. Target, tap.
Nah, man.
So let's see what we can expect from. I even closed the goal on small position. Close that shit too. I'm done on that account as well. So gold we can see extended to the downside, I guess. We'll see what happened. Because look at 2 hour, 10-minute, right? Now you know why you need to secure. You see this shit now?
Yeah.
But it's really important to be careful because look, push down, right? USDCHF, spike through this region, push up, we can just go back into this zone and then come back down. Do you understand what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So if that were to happen, gold can just come into this zone and then push back up. Want to know why? This 4-hour candle can just turn around bullish. We're gonna keep an eye on this. I was gonna end the stream, but it's getting kind of interesting here, boy. The market is kind of getting interesting because we're about to see it move even after our, like, the time that the move should be done, you know. Ooh, NAS melting. What about US30? Why is it not selling off? How much are we up on GA on your account? 600?
Yeah, 600.
That's a nice quick one, huh? That's also we got in here. If we got in here, it would be nice. Because this was the level that I was keeping an eye on here. See? But also I wanted to see like closure above this, which we just had. So then we just pushed. We already achieved 100 pip over here, bro. From down here, see? So look at USD cap. Wow, that's nice here. You see, spike through, retest this zone, right? Look at daily. See, with the important zone of daily, right? We are in the support that has built over like almost a year. No, two quarter. So this is a strong zone over here. You gotta be careful about that one. USD melting, GU chilling above that area. So gold is a really important area right now. Do we pull back or do we just come down? You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So regardless of what happened with direction of bias, you want to put yourself in the best position like I did today to capitalize on the trade. Even if the trade turned around quickly as it did, we still managed to not lose, you know. That's what's important, man. You can't be putting 10 pips, bro. This 10 pip would have got destroyed here, bro.
Yeah.
So, can you close the GA for me from your account?
Yeah, man. Closed it.
Okay, cool. Alright. So, gold. Right there. GA. Bro, GA is a beast, huh? GA don't play
Well,
around, huh?
XO
When they move,
Nah.
it's a pair that you want to fuck around, bro. Like this singular candle here, 130 pip in a single 30-minute ish. Execute 2 lots on gold, please. Stop loss will be around 1952. And let's see how much we will lose on that trade, by the way.
We will lose. $1.276.
Is how much?
1.27.
1.27.
Okay.
Okay.
So 0.5% almost.
We good, bro. Don't worry. We're gonna close it out early if it start going against us, you know. No big deal. The only reason I took this trade is because I won the GA, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't look that great, I'll tell you that. So if we see any price action that we do not like, we're gonna cut down position fast, you know.
Yeah.
So we got a few hours to see how this price is gonna react around this area, which is really important, by the way. And I also want to see something here real quick. So if you draw a fib here to here, okay, I see. We got to be really careful with this trade, by the way. This USD CHF take forever, bro. See this?
Mm-hmm.
Take like 30 days. But look at this trade. We took this last week, do you remember?
But stop there. Eurocard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, falling, melting. Wow, what a rejection here. I think gold trade we're probably gonna lose, by the way, just saying.
You said?
I said the gold trade we're probably gonna lose. Look at GJ. Ooh, we're at the peak level. GJ meltdown. The market just died. Do you realize that?
What if that though?
So yeah, let's see. Gold. We may have a bounce from here a little bit. No high probability trade anymore, as we already capitalized on a few of these pairs. We have a strong rejection, bro. This is exactly what I'm talking about. A strong rejection at 0.7 level. Now we're trading below this significant support. Remember that I have? Now we can see what we can see is like possible rejection back down. But here's the question: like, are we gonna push back one more time to take this out before coming down, right? So let's see what price is gonna do, because at this time of the market, you cannot really say what's gonna happen in the market, because it's kind of hard to say what's gonna happen. GA is still trying to push. Alright, close. Yeah, close your goal. Close your goal, and then let's just forget about that pair for now. Yeah, I think we call it a day. I'm also seeing a USD CAD buy from down here if it start rejecting.
Gold's gay for that, man.
Yeah, it goes definitely.
Well, we ripped up 130 pips.
Came down 130 pip.
Well, the rejection is disgusting. Yeah.
That's crazy, because I knew that exactly on the point as well. Would have been crazy if I would have sold up there. So we bought here, took a nice ride. Bam. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it a day, but I think gold's gonna like try to make people get trapped in here, you know. We can just push up into this zone, like I was saying. Gold's bullish, you know. This is just a trap move possible. We can just get like fake out, and then whatever happens. Okay, so let's just not get too stressed about that, because I believe that we can just come back up close, you know, in here. Because look, we can have stuff like this, right, and then drop. You can have rejection and still push. Don't worry about it. See? Bam. Yeah. So let's see if we can like end up closing above here, and next candle can just push up, and then everybody will be like, what the hell, you know. So I'm still bullish bias on gold, but that will be the trade of the day, like 180 pip or 160 pips on gold, 130 pip on gold. Nice buys on GA from here to here, 100 pip. And then we also have nice AJ drop, and good USD CHF over here respecting into the box. This is another setup that we can keep an eye on, because you see how like we came into the box, now we're chilling, we just bounce back down. So I think I'm gonna end the stream here. It was a successful first video.